Our lords of Tay, the hunting game, the hunting ho, the fallow deer, and they gripped Hugh the Graeme for stealing o' the bishop's mare. They led him to the gallows hill and took him to the gallows tree. Ne'er did the colour leave his cheek, or did he even blink his ee. And there he spied his father dear, and he was weeping bitterly. Oh, father, let your grief be done, it's worse than all they'll do to me. And you may gie my brother John my sword that's bent in middle clear, and bid him come at 12 o'clock to see me pay the bishop's mare. And you may gie my brother James my sword that's bent in middle broom, and bid him come at 2 o'clock to see his brother Hugh cut down. And remember me to Maggie my wife, when next ye gang across the moor, tell her she stole the bishop's mere, tell her she was the bishop's whore. And you may tell my kith and kin I never did disgrace their blood, and ere they see the bishop's cloak, they mak it shorter by the hood.